General Balance family is composed of various nutritional supplements to help support the health of the whole family. Contains Orostachus japonicus A. Berger, which helps to strengthen immunity and prevent diseases, sourced directly from the Chiri Mountain. General Balance Milk Thistle contains 130 milligrams of silymarin for a healthy liver and healthy skin. 30 billion prebiotics contained in phytogenic capsule to help support intestinal health. Refined methods in science, pure omega-3 supplements. General Balance Lutein contains lutein, beta-carotene, zinc, vitamin B2, and vitamin C to help support eye health. Calcium Magnesium contains the optimal ratio of whey calcium, 210 milligrams, and magnesium, 105 milligrams, for absorption. Convenient one-a-day multivitamins with 12 vitamins and 9 minerals. General Balance MSM is the right choice for healthy joints. Care contains red yeast rice powder, ginkgo biloba extract powder, and agaricus mushroom mycelia extract to help maintain cholesterol and support memory and circulation. General Balance Family, the healthy choice for your family.